Welcome to Bid Team. Derek here, and I'm going to try to tell you about the program in around 2 minutes. So let's jump in. What is Bid Team? Bid Team is a fast track for highly motivated federal contractors to start bidding and winning on sam.gov. That's our specialty. The problem that we solve is we dramatically reduce the time from years to months that it takes for new federal contractors to start bidding and winning their first contracts on sam.gov. Our solution is a hybrid delivery of proven bid training systems, winning templates, and weekly group coaching with myself. And we currently run that on Mondays and Fridays. And we address the 6 main challenges that hold federal contractors back from bidding and winning. And we find those to be reading lengthy solicitations, making no bid decisions properly, writing compliant and competitive proposals, lack of confidence from not having an expert in your corner, not knowing how to legally middleman contracts, and also being held back by no past performance, and lastly, being held back by imposter syndrome or paralysis analysis. Who we help the most are new federal contractors that, 1, have their cage code, 2, they are currently looking at bids and they're struggling, or maybe they've even tried to respond to 1 or 2 bids on their own, but they've heard nothing back from contracting after submitting, and they don't know if they even did the solicitation response correctly. So what makes us different? Number 1, you will never be treated like a number, and that is the highest prerogative for me in the overall quality of our program. Also, we will never pass you off to another coach. It's just me in there. We offer a premium experience, and part of that is also having a dedicated team member in addition to myself who will be with you throughout the lifetime of the program to further ensure your success. And the last thing that makes us different is we offer bid reviews and proposal reviews directly with me. So I will review your bids that you're evaluating, and I will also review your proposals that you're putting together. And we do have a secure portal that we share that information through, and I will give you feedback during the coaching calls on that as well. So we do get a lot of questions about the investment. This is a 12-month weekly coaching program with myself. It is also giving you lifetime access to the bid training system and winning templates. It's just the coaching part that is 12 months. We are a 4-figure investment still. Other coaches charge $2 to $3K easily in the space, and I'll be upfront and tell you that is not us. We offer a premium experience. A lot of our clients are folks who have been in other programs and they were unhappy. So for that reason, we are offering a more premium experience. We are still a 4-figure investment. However, we are higher for that reason as well, and the exact pricing is shared during a discovery call. A couple of frequently asked questions that we get a lot is services versus products. Our focus is services. We do have members in the program who offer a blend of services and products, and they do still fully benefit from the program. Similarly with GSA schedules, yes, we do have members who have GSA schedules that are in the program as well. They also benefit from the program, but just know and be upfront that our primary focus is always sam.gov. And then also, who is an ideal fit for the program? 1, you must have a cage code to join. I need to know that you have that much skin in the game before we have that conversation. Small businesses that are finding bids that they want to go after again, but they're being held back from bidding by those reasons that we discussed. That's who can benefit from the program the most. And just remember, clarity equals speed. The more clear you are in what you're needing help with, and the more clear you are on what you're wanting to do, the faster you're going to be able to be successful with that. Now, if this sounds like exactly what you've been looking for, we would love to hear from you genuinely. You are invited to schedule a discovery call at this point using the calendar below. Once you schedule your discovery call, please watch for an email from our team. It will be from a real person, not from anything automated, so watch for that. And they will be introducing themselves and will share information for next steps and how to prepare for the discovery call. So that's really important to watch for that. Make sure you check your spam filters, etc. And if you have any questions, even at this stage, if you're having questions, feel free to email support@govkidmethod.com. We can always support you there as well. And we look forward to speaking with you, maybe even working with you inside the program.